Hey, what's up guys, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of a case that I've got for my Pixel 4a, the super budget friendly phone from Google. You get a pure Android experience and it's blazing fast for its price. To protect that phone, I got a case from SupCase, and the name of the case is Unicorn Beetle Pro. So they claim that this is actually a military standard drop protection case, and I'm going to show you how it's look like, and let me give you the feedback of this case, and end of the video I'll be mentioning the link on where to purchase this Unicorn Beetle Pro case by SupCase. So let's jump into the unboxing and review of this case from SupCase. So you can see the box, how nicely they have packaged it. I really like the packaging they have done to this case, SupCase, and it's actually a 3D background of the case. I wouldn't throw away this case. And on the bottom right you can see the hologram, SupCase, and their website mentioned here, and it's drop protection and military standard rate 516.6. that's the military grade standard. Turning back, you can see on the top, which is clearly mentioned that this case is for Google Pixel 4a black, and it's made in China. And there's a small cutout the back of this case, and they have mentioned here perfect grip, 360 protection, shock resistant, multi-layer design, and it includes a belt clip holster. That looks promising. I can't wait to unbox this case. So let's do the unboxing now and reveal what's inside. Let's put that case, the cover aside, and it comes with the plastic wrapping. It mentions that SupCase, before you open up this packaging, please scan this QR code for watching the installation video. So it actually suggesting us to watch the video on how to install this case to your phone. That's very nice way to engage their users, the buyers. Cool, isn't it? So let's see what's inside this package. I have included the installation guide as well with this package, which is very meaningful and helpful to their buyers. And they have put up a nice thank you note. Thanks for your support. Follow us for daily updates, discounts and giveaways. Wow, that's cool. They do really care about their marketing. Okay, now let's take out the full case. So they have included a styrofoam kind of a protection for the protection case. Okay, this is the 360-degree look of this case. So let me remove this case from the holster. Okay, this is actually the real case for the phone, and inside this clip they have another guide as well on how to insert it correctly. Okay, let's put that aside, and this as well. Okay, talking about the case, so this is the front case, separating front casing from the rear case. So this is the back of this case, and here you can see the name of this case, UB Pro, Unicorn Beetle Pro. So I believe this is the standing case. If you want to watch any video, you just pull up in between and you can put it down to watch any videos. So let me unwrap the front case to reveal the actual display. So this is actually a double layer protection for your front screen of the phone. Okay, now let's take a look at this case itself. I've shown you the back of the case, the brand UB Pro, and the standing leg for this case, and there's a so-called cutout for the thumbprint or fingerprint reader for the phone, and we have the camera module cutout, and of course we have a nice design, a carbon design to give the aesthetic look. And on the side we have the so-called the grip, have a textured grip on the side, and the right side we have the so-called the buttons, which is the power button and the volume up and down button. So it does give you this 360-degree protection all around it. Okay, now let's fit in the Pixel 4a onto this case and show you how does it look like. So to remove the front case, you need to be careful, very careful on how to remove the case. So on the top right or top left, just pull out this case. It's a rubber case for the back. And just pull out by the side to remove the front protection case. You need to be very careful in order not to break or damage the front case. There you go. I have removed the front display case of the cover. Let's put it aside. And this is the inner part. So this is actually a full rubber. It's made of rubber, not plastic. The middle is plastic. The edge is all made out of rubber. So it gives you the added grip. That's what they claimed, and that's true enough. So now let me put my Pixel 4a phone into this cover. So there you go, my Pixel 4a, and I'm going to put it top slot in. Okay, so when you slot in, it will not stay in place from the way I see it, because you need to put in the frame, so called the front display frame, in order to fully utilize the case. So let me take out this film as well and put it in the front protection of the phone cover. Again, you need to be very careful in order to put in this case back inside. Okay, let me turn on the phone right now. I've already fully placed the front protector. try to fit all the corners in, so you will not see any gaps along the line of this frame. So let me enter my pin. Okay, I've already fit in completely. So it gives you the added protection for your screen. So it's true to its name. It's an added 360-degree protection across all the sides of the phone. So it gives you the rugged feel. So if you are going on trekking or any kind of sport activity that you're going to do, so this case will come in handy. It will actually protect your phone from drops and scratches. So this is a really nice and rugged looking case. And yeah, you can watch video just by placing it onto the table in front of you. And the corner itself, you can see it's not rounded. So the ports itself are accessible, and the speakers on the right and left, and on top we have the mic and the protection for the audio jack. So it gives you the added rugged protection for your Pixel 4a. So let's do a slam test on the table. You can drop it the phone, there's no issues. It's cool. And let's try the holster, the belt holster that it came along. So this is the one. So you can actually place it on your bag or on your pocket. So let's put it, see how does it fit. Okay, that was actually a snappy fit. So that's how you have to fit in onto your bag. This will be suitable for the so-called delivery people who are going around delivering food. I'll be putting the link to purchase this Unicorn Beetle Pro case from SupCase. So I'm really loving this case, and I'll give it about 4 out of 5 if you ask me. The reason being is the front. It doesn't have an option to actually remove the front plastic case, so it looks bit of an ugly look at the side, but nevertheless it's actually for the protection of the phone. And yep, if you guys like this case, go ahead and purchase. And if you like my video and this review, please do like this video. I'll be there to answer all your queries in the comment section. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to my channel and support me, guys. And I'll be signing off right now. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, stay safe, and bye.